Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. I'm not gonna take you back all the way, but I'm gonna just show a few previous weekly charts. So this is the chart I made on the September 2nd when gold was here, started bounce. I said if we do not go above 1959, then we will go back to 1877 first, and then 1802, which is this line here, 1802, right? And then what happened? It came down all the way here, and I made this chart that okay, it's gonna maybe somewhere here, right there, or maybe it's gonna come back down. It touched 1802, and then right now it was like 1810, right? So somewhere there it's supposed to be bouncing. So it bounced, started to bounce, and started to go to the upside. And this is what happened. So it went back and went above 1959, actually. It went all the way touching 1997. That was my target, 1998. So it went as far as 1997. I had some beautiful trades going to the upside. But this time I made the chart saying that, okay, the week ended, and this is the last Saturday. I made the chart 21st October, that from here it might drop back to 1959 and then go to the upside to either this area and then break that and then to the upside, right? So from this high is supposed to be coming back to 1959 and then go up. And that's exactly what it started to do. And let me show you. And I started to take, see this one, this line here is 19. Well, actually 1959 is all the way in the back, down. But this trade, it start to bounce again from 1959. And then you see this here, from 1971, I took it to 1986 first. Then it dropped again, and then it started to go up. And then this is my second for today. Again, we went to 1987. So this was the entry, and both are the entries, these two, and then previously, of course, they are taken by my EA robot automatically. If you place that on the chart, when the setup is there, it takes you open the trade, put the SL here, and and put the target, whatever the target you set, will hit the target and close the trade automatically. So yeah, so if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get it, understand the system, then go to my website here. By the way, these trades I'm also posting here on my Telegram. You see this, I post here the gold making long on this size of a chart, and then this is the chart I placed here, right? And this is the webinar recording here, which I did today at 4 p.m. So anyway, so yeah, like I said, that go on the website. You can sign up monthly subscriptions, 6 month, yearly, lifetime, or you want to learn the whole thing through me, by me. One-on-one coaching is available here. You can go and sign up for that. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show. And by the way, this is what I'm thinking about the S&P 500. At first, I thought maybe it's going to bounce from this area, 42.16, but no, it's dropping a little bit more. And I think this is 61% and 4,100 here. That probably will give us the bounce for wave 5. So this is wave 1, ABC running flat for wave 2, 3, 4, around 61% of wave 3. And if you bounce, you're going to be bouncing from here and then maybe going back up. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.